The history of world aviation is over 100 years old. Few people know that in Warsaw, thanks to Polish engineers, some of the first planes in the world were created here. Today, at this historic site, Prometheus ushered in a new era of drones. The global market for drone solutions is estimated at USD 100 billion and is the fastest growing branch of modern technologies next to 5G and AI, which we integrate in technology solutions. Thanks to investments in drones and artificial intelligence, Poland has a chance to enter the top 20 most developed economies in the world. Prometheus is a leader in the production of hybrid rotor drones, based on which advanced drone systems are created. The heart of each of them is a hybrid drone platform, which includes a drone with previously unattainable parameters. Flight time up to 5 hours. Range up to 200 kilometers. Advanced flight software and online data transmission. Extensive artificial intelligence algorithms operating directly on the drone. Currently, it is the most advanced and universal drone technology in the world for civilian applications, with literally no limits. Prometheus systems are a game changer in virtually every field. It is thanks to them that true digital transformation takes place. Revolution in terms of safety, rescue, humanitarian aid, elimination of natural disasters, protection of the environment and natural resources, agriculture, investment, industry, transport, as well as cities of the future. Our Digital Africa project is an opportunity for the development of over 1 billion people across the continent. Prometheus is an investment in education, modern technology, research and development, and new jobs. Polish Prometheus is a rising star on the global drone market. And it is also the future.